Well, today's disassembly day. I'm going to be taking the machine apart. I'm getting ready to start putting the Allen Bradley electronics in the machine, and I am just wanted to document this so I'd have a before and after when I'm finished. Kind of looking forward to this. It feels oddly weird pulling stuff apart that I know that somebody could use this stuff to keep their machine going, but this OMC controller is just a little bit too dated for me. Everything was working except the y-axis, or the x-axis. Other than that, we're good to go. Just going to post this little short video just showing the beginning, and if anybody needs any of this, just let me know, pay the ship, and I'll send you the parts. This is my Fanuc red top VMC conversion with an Allen Bradley running, driven by an Acorn Centroid.